Hi there! In this video, we'll provide you with a quick walkthrough of the virtual event format events in Airmeet. Let's get started. A virtual event reception page is the digital front desk of a virtual event that welcomes attendees, offering event schedules, session links, speaker information, and other relevant content. It ensures easy navigation and a seamless start to the event experience. Type of Airmeet event reception. Airmeet has two types of event receptions: static event reception and customizable event reception. Static event reception. It contains a static reception banner which can be promotional or informational. You can find the schedule button on the banner that will guide you to the sessions area. Coming back to the reception, you can find the list of sessions here as well and join them from there. Below the sessions, you will find the booth section. Click on any of them to view their details. Lastly, at the bottom, you will find the event partners or sponsors. Customizable event reception. As the name suggests, these receptions can be customized by the event organizers according to the needs of their event. In this type of reception, you will find an interactive banner with different content in it. If videos are added, you can play and pause them, go full screen, and even manage the speed of the video by clicking on the three-dot icon and selecting the speed range. If buttons are added, you can use them to go to the intended destinations, which could be lounge, booths, resources, and other external links. If iframes are added, you can view the details in them. If the sponsors are added, you can view them as well. And if links are added to them, you can interact with them as well. Organizers may also add sessions to the banner, and you can interact with them directly from here. The contents of the custom reception may vary from event to event. Right-hand side event navigation controls. Now, let's learn about the top RHS controls. Schedule. The Schedule button. If clicked, you can view all the event sessions and their information. From here, you can bookmark the upcoming sessions, join the live sessions, or watch the replay of the ended sessions. Leaderboard. A leaderboard in a virtual event tracks attendee activities, rewarding points for participation to boost engagement and encourage interaction. Click on the icon and view the leaderboard status. You will also be able to see your status. Click on Activities on the right to view all the activities that can be done and the points allocated to it. Leaderboard feature may be available or not, depending on the event organizer. Event feed. This feed is the general chat area for all the event participants. You can write your message here for all to see. Messages can also be replied by hovering your cursor over it and clicking the arrow icon and typing your message on it. Messages can be reacted using the emoticons. Click on the three-dot icon to send direct or private message to the message owner, or to report them in case of nuisance. Event feed sometimes contains the public table invitations, which you can join by clicking on the Join button. The organizers may also delete your messages if they find it unfit or hurtful to others. You can also delete your own message if needed by clicking on the three-dot icon. Poll. Besides event feed, you will find the event poll. Participate on it by voting for the options of your choice. People section. Here, you will find all the event participants. You can also search for a particular person by typing their name in the search bar. You can filter the attendee by all or online filters. If you wish to add specific filters, click on Filters. Fill the attendee details and click Apply. You can also view the participants in either the list view as shown here or by the grid view. If you hover over a participant, you can also direct or private message them, or schedule a one-on-one meeting. To do so, click on the meeting icon. Add meeting title, meeting date, meeting start time, and duration, which has to be within the event time and dates. If you wish to add more people, then click on Add People and select them. Once done, hit Send Request. The invite will be sent to the invited participants, but they can choose to either accept or reject the invite. Coming to the next icon, which is Messages. It contains all the direct or private messages between you and other even participants. Alerts. It contains all the notifications sent out by the organizers during the event. You choose to enable the notification for it by toggling its icon on, or keep it disabled. Profile icon. This contains 3 controls. First is My Profile. Click on it to view your profile, and if you want to edit it, click on Complete Profile and update the information. Second is Language. You can click on it to view all the language available to change the text of the event into. Now, simply select the language of your choice and save it. As you can see, some texts of the event has changed to the language of your choice. Please note that not all text will be translated, and this change will only reflect on your page and will not change the text for others. Last one is Exit. Click on it to exit the event after it is over.
Find the lounge label on the top and click on it. Do note that this label can be renamed by the event organizer, but you can always click on it to check. This is the virtual social lounge where you can see the virtual tables. Joining the table. To join the table, simply click on the Join button. You will get a prompt to grant permissions for your microphone and camera access, if not given earlier. Click Allow to grant the permission. After, you will also be asked to select your devices, that is, camera that you wish to use, microphone and available options, system speaker and its availability. You can set them up as per your requirement. On the camera section, you can also add the virtual background from the default images. You can also upload your own image from your computer. Blur option is also available. If you wish to not use them, you can remove them by clicking the given icon. Lastly, save it. If the microphone and camera permission is granted while registering, you will not get prompt for the same. Now on your virtual table, you can enable your microphone and camera to communicate with other table participants. Depending on the number of the table participants, you can also select the table layout. Option to share your screen on the table is also available. Click on it, select either the Browser tab or Window tab, or the entire screen. Select it and click the Share button. Click on the 2-line icon to open the microphone, camera, or virtual background setting and set them up like shown earlier. Coming to the bottom right controls. First one is Invite Other button. Click on it and select Invite Individuals. And select the participant or participants and hit Send Invite to invite them to your table. For public invitation, select Publish a Public Invite and hit Publish Invite. The invitation will be posted on the event feed, and anyone can join your table via it. Second one, Chat, which you can use to communicate textually with other table participants. Emojis are also available. Third control is Table Participants, which will show all table participants. You can also invite people from here. To close these sections, click on the collapse icon. Coming to the top right table controls, click on Facing Problems to check your system for any issues. Just click on the Start Test button. Next control is Minimize or Maximize icon. Click on it to minimize the table view. While minimized, the table can be dragged and dropped anywhere. To maximize the table screen, click on the icon again. Full screen icon. click on it to go full screen. Lastly, click on the cross or X icon to leave the table. You can also search for a particular table by name. Discussion tables. If the event organizers have enabled, you will see an option to create discussion table of your own. Click on Create New Table, and on the description box, add the table name, the character limit for which is 36. You can also add image for your table. It can be promotional or of a specific topic, coming to number of seats. You can have maximum of 125 seats and minimum of 1 seat. Use the plus and minus icons to increase or reduce them when required. Lastly, click Save. On the created table, you have the same controls as we saw earlier. But this table will be deleted when the creator leaves the table. When leaving the table, you do get an option to either stay on table or to delete the table. You can access the booths using the label provided at the top. Alternatively, if added by the event organizer, you may also find a booth CTA or call to action button directly on the reception page. Simply click on it. This will take you to a page where you can view all the booths available for this event. To enter a booth, select the one you're interested in and click on it. At the top of the booth, you'll see the booth banner. If you want to play the embedded video, simply click on it to start playing. If you wish to close the video, click on the X icon to remove it. This banner you see is a standard one. Depending on the exhibitor's choice, the booth banner can be different. Some booth exhibitors may add the custom banner with multiple videos and customized links. You can interact with them as required. Third type is posters, which will not contain any videos or links but a PDF. Click the hamburger menu to quickly view the contents of the PDF. Use arrows to go back and forth the PDF pages. Zooming in and zooming out option are available. Click here to reset the zoom. You can also download the PDF or go full screen. Below the banner, you'll find the booth logo, booth name, a brief description, a detailed description, and the booth tags. On the right side, you'll see the chat section, where you can interact with booth exhibitors or other attendees. You'll also find all the social media links connected to this booth. If you want to check them out, just click on the respective icons. Now, moving on to the live broadcast section. Booth exhibitors may broadcast their products or services live. To stay informed, click Notify Me, and you'll be alerted whenever the exhibitor goes live. If you want to disable notifications, click Disable Notification. If you're interested in the booth or its products and services, you can connect with the exhibitor. Click on I'm Interested button, enter your email address, and submit it. The exhibitor will connect with you as soon as possible to discuss their offerings. If the booth offers any coupons or deals, you'll see them here as well. Click Redeem Coupon to use the coupon, or click Offer Details to review the deal. At the bottom of the booth, you'll find tables. To join a table, click Join. Depending on the number of participants, you can select different table layouts. You can connect with others by turning on your camera and microphone. If multiple participants are present, you can share your screen by clicking Share Screen icon. If you encounter any issues with your camera or microphone, click the settings icon to adjust or test your devices. You can also test your system speaker using the speaker test feature. For the camera, you can apply a virtual background, use a blur effect, or remove the background altogether. Once satisfied, click Save. On the table interface, use the chat button to text message the table participants, or click the participants icon to see who is or are participating. To hide the chat or participants section, click the collapse icon. Minimize the table or maximize it, clicking on the respective icons. To go full screen, click the full screen icon. To leave the table, click the X icon.
Event resources in a virtual event refer to the digital materials and tools provided to attendees, such as presentations, documents, videos, handouts, downloadable content, and interactive guides designed to enhance the event experience and provide valuable information. Benefits of event resources. 1. Enhanced learning. Access valuable materials for deeper understanding. 2. Convenience. Download and review content at your own pace. 3. Engagement. Interactive resources keep attendees engaged and informed. 4. Continued access. Resources can be revisited after the event for reference. 5. Networking support. Supplementary materials foster better connections and discussion. Accessing event resources at event level. While on the event page, click on the Resources label at the top. Inside it, you will find all the event resources. You can also download them if you see the download icon below it. Accessing event resources at session level. During the live session, if added by the session host, you will find the Resources icon on the right side of the page. Click on it to view or download them.
Now, once you're inside the event dashboard, click on Schedule, or you can also see the live sessions on here. You can simply click on Join Session to join the live session, or you can also click on Schedule, find the live session and click on Join Now. Now inside the live session, you can use the emojis to support the people on the stage. You can also click on the Raise Hand button if you wish to go on the stage and share your thoughts on the stage. You will be added to the stage only after the event host allows you on the stage. Your request can be rejected as well. Now, while on the live stage, you can also take advantage of the video and audio buttons while sharing your thoughts. You can also click on this share screen icon to either share your screen or share the PDF. To share your screen, all you have to do is click on it, select the particular tab that you want to share or a window or the entire screen and click on Share. If you wish to share PDF, then you can simply click on it, select the PDF from your computer and share it on the screen. You can also maximize the screen. You can click on Preview Slides to preview the slides and use these arrow buttons to go back and forth. To stop sharing your screen, click on this icon again and it will be gone. Now you also have the reactions or emoji icons out here. You can click on this two-line icon to set up your camera, microphone or speaker settings, or if you wish to add a virtual background, you can do so from here. You can select the default backgrounds, or you can also click on this plus icon to add your own image as a background. You can remove the background or even use blur as your background. Once done, click on save and you're good to go. Now you can also click on the CC icon if it is available for the caption on the stage. To disable it, simply click on it again. In here you have the mute stage icon. You can click on it to mute the stage or unmute the stage. You can click on this HD icon to select the bandwidth of your stream on Airmeet depending on the strength of your internet. If you need any help with your hardware issues, then you can click on Help and click on Start Test to test your hardware in case of any issues. Now once you're done sharing your thoughts on the stage, you can click on this icon again to go away from the live stage. Sometimes the event host can also invite you on the stage as a speaker. You can either reject it or accept the invite and go to the stage. Now coming to the right hand side, you have the chat option in which you can chat with other session participants. You can also hover over someone's message and use the emojis. You can also click on this arrow icon if you wish to reply back. There is also a three-dot icon, clicking on which you can remove the message. The second one is the Q&A section. In this section, you can ask your question. You can also upvote the question if you relate to, and you can also click on this comment icon to plug in your comment. And while commenting, you can also click on the three dot icon and send a direct message to this person. Direct message is the private message, or report in case of nuisance. As you can see, some questions are seen as unanswered and some are answered. These are the questions that are not yet answered, and this is the question that is answered. Sometimes you can also find the answer to the questions on the comments. The questions can be easily filtered by using these filters given out here. Now coming to the third control, that is people in session. In here you can find all the people inside the session. You can also send direct message or private message to that person, or click on this schedule meeting icon and plan the one-on-one meeting with this person. You can rewrite the meeting title. You can also reset the date of the meeting, but it has to be inside the event date. You can also set the time and duration of your meeting. Now, if you wish to add more people to your meeting, then you can click on add people and select the people from the session that you want to add to your meeting and click on add. And once done, click on send request. This request will be sent to all the people that you have invited. They will have the option to accept or decline your meeting request. Now you can also view the people on grid view or come back to the list view. Now coming on to the polls. In here you can participate in the polls by selecting the option and voting. You can also filter the polls if you wish to do so. If there are more settings in here added by the organizer, then you will be able to see them. And if you have any query, you can always connect with your event organizer or the host.
And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.